Do you want to learn French in a fun and effective way? Do you want to master French accent and understand fast-spoken French? Do you want to understand movies in French without subtitles? Understand fast-spoken French from Paris and have fluent conversations? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. I would like to help you reach your goal. I've been teaching French more than 7 years. Over 2,000 students have successfully achieved their goal with my method. I offer 3 packages to help you reach your goal and dreams in French. French conversation. In this package, you will learn how to have fluent and engaging conversation in French. You will get tips and exercises to improve your communication skills. You will practice with real-life situations and dialogues. Learn to understand fast-spoken French from Paris. In this package, you're gonna learn how to understand fast-spoken French from Paris and watch videos in French without subtitles. Do you know that most of Parisians, when they speak, they reduce words? I'm gonna give you an example. In the word, what did you eat? In normal French, we will say, qu'est-ce que tu as mangé? But Parisians, they will reduce word. They will say like, qu'est-ce t'as mangé? Qu'est-ce t'as mangé? So, qu'est-ce que is reduced by qu'est-ce, and tu as is reduced by ta, and we keep it manger. French accent mastery. In this package, you will learn how to pronounce French sounds, words, sentences correctly with confidence. You will learn how to avoid common mistakes and sound more natural. We get personalized lesson on your pronunciation. So, what are you waiting for? Book your lesson right now and let's take your French to the next level.